Hello, hello. It's time for another early morning with Debbie. I have a new plate to share with you. This is called Quilting Corner and it's CJS 400. Now, this isn't just for quilters. These are super trendy patterns that I think will be enjoyable for absolutely everyone. Flowers, hearts, bows, you name it, it's on here. On the back, we've got our instructions, our step-by-step for the ones that might give you a little trip up. And I want to do this one right here. It's got 6 layers. It's this guy. So I've picked 6 colors, and that's going to be our base. That is KoKo&Claire Barely Blush, number 155. On a tip, ready to go. Mine are already decorated, so we're going to use a tip. Okay, let's just jump right in. These are divided by these little lines, so you know which ones are separate colors. So pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and start with this really pretty aqua color, number 69. And let's just pull this back just a tiny bit here so that I can scrape and lift without knocking over all my polishes. So scrape immediately right in afterwards, nice and light with that lift up. Now I'm going to look right down the center of this nail and I'm going to put both of these lines basically right down the center, as close as I can anyway. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be lots of different dot looking images that we're putting down. So we're just going to build this up. Okay, now this really pretty yellow is number 233. And that's our next group here. And there's 4 in this one. Make sure they're all full. And right here with my stamper ready to go, nice and light. I am barely touching that, guys, when I'm rolling over top. Not pressing down at all. I'm simply rolling over top of them. All right, so now to place this particular image, I'm going to be looking on the inside of that green line and the inside of that green line and placing the insides of these yellow ones. Okay, so they're supposed to be in the center. That one's down. Now let's just going to stretch this guy up just a little bit and give him a push. And now our yellow ones are in place. Okay, the next one's a pink. Which pink? This is number 21. Oh, looks a little thick. Let's see how we do here. Ooh, looks a little thick. Well, we get away with it. We're about to find out. Right in behind. Totally got away with it. Just 2 little squares on this one, and they're going to go inside the yellow ones that we just put down. So I'm going to look to this one on the right on the bottom. Now, you don't have to lay these down at the same time. You can come down here with this guy. Just be careful you don't press too hard. Pop him in place. And now come up to this one. And pop him in place. Okay, you can cheat. Totally cheating is encouraged. This is number 65. Just a really pretty peach for this 4 square one that we're going to lift up now. This is just going to be a spring palette of colors here. I'm not going to worry about that line up top because it's not going to be anywhere near these guys. So this is going to go around our little plus signs here and then in the center of those pink ones. So I think I'm going to go right and pop them down. So in the center of that pink down there and then around that little plus sign and then the opposite on this side. Take your time. There's no rush. especially if you're working over top of a gel polish top coat. If you're using gel and you're using a tack-free top coat, it's like a magnet. I know it's a little different when you're using standard polish, but press, hold, give a little wiggle, and slowly remove it, and it'll usually stay right where you put it. Okay, this one's a little bolder, 248. Thought we'd throw one bold one in here around all of our little pastels. You'll notice I'm not cleaning up as I go, then I know where I'm at. Okay, scrape, light roll. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so we know where our little pluses are going over here. I'm going to go left and right again. Okay, just be careful that you don't touch these ones that are over here. Okay. This is looking, oh, I love this bolder one. Oh, I'm so glad I went with the bolder one. Look how that just kind of pops now. Okay, now we're coming, the last one is just the two squares that are going to go around those bold pink ones that we just laid down. I'll tell you what this is in just a sec. 263, one of our newer pretty violet colors. Scrape and roll, and right behind as I'm scraping with that stamper to lift. Not giving it any chance to start setting on me. Okay, so now I'm picturing right here in the center, and they're going to go around the outsides of these. So if you want to place one and then the other, you totally can. I'm going to live on the wild side and do that. Our beautiful little patchwork. Patchwork? I know, I'm not a quilter, guys. I guess this, yeah. What would you call this? Help me out. Might become a quilter. These are really beautiful. My mom quilts beautifully. Oh, I feel shame now. I should know. But what a beautiful look. Ready for top coat. I'm going to top coat it, and then we'll take a look at the final result. Check it out. Such a pretty look. Such a pretty look. And you know, it's not that hard. Bunch of steps to do, but if you take your time, plan it a little bit, it comes together beautifully. Please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell button so that you're notified every time we post a video. Got tons of tutorials. We're always happy to make more. Let us know what you want to see. If you're struggling with something, or if there's just something that you enjoy watching, let us know down below. See you in the next video.